How to sell things on Carousell. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to sell things on Carousell. Open the Carousell app on your mobile device. Tap on the sell option located in the middle of your screen. Choose the category of the item you want to sell, such as mobile phones, bicycles, fashion items, luxury handbags, or cars. If you're selling a mobile phone, select the brand first, like Apple, Google, or Samsung. Tap on Get Price Quotes to proceed. Select the model of your phone from the options provided. Specify the condition of the phone's body, screen, LED or LCD, and if the battery is genuine. Enter the battery health in the designated box. Indicate if there are any other issues with your phone. Click on Get Price Quotes to view the offers. Scroll down to check the quotes provided. Go back and tap on Get Price Quotes again if you're satisfied with the offers. Choose the cash out option, such as Quartz. Select your preferred drop-off date and location. Enter your name, email, and phone number. You are now ready to sell on Carousell. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.